if some catastrophic thing happens, or we just leave this planet, what do you think would be found by aforementioned alien civilizations when they visit? The anthropologists, the grad student anthropologists that visit Earth and study, how much of what we now have and love and think of as human civilization will be lost, do you think?
Well, time moves on and things that are perishable perish. So, you didn't put a time element in there, but I would say that, everything that can perish will, and whoever shows up here will be stuck with only the things that didn't perish. So we'll have, buildings, plaques, but they won't have any books. They won't have any, billboards. They'll have the incomplete record I have. Mm-hmm. I one time did a talk in Sioux Falls, and I said, I drove in here and there was a big obelisk in front of the town. And everywhere I go, I see the names Lewis and Clark. And 1,000 years from now, if I was an archaeologist investigating this place, I would think that it was founded by the Egyptians and their kings were named Lewis and Clark. But the truth is, Lewis and Clark stayed one night here. But it's just a big deal. So I would be so wrong about what I thought about your town based on what preserved.
It's so beautiful as a thought experiment. Like, what would archaeologists be really wrong about? And what would they could possibly be right about?
Like Washington, D.C. was clearly made by a combination of the Egyptians and the Greeks and the Romans, because that's what all the architecture is.
Yeah, and would they be able to reconstruct the important empires, the powerful empires, and the warring empires?
For that matter, have me and my colleagues done that at all? I'm almost certain that the Maya would just gut laugh at what I think I know what they were.